If you're looking to promote your brand online, then the first place to look is to PPC campaigns. A PPC campaign is, of course, pay-per-click, and that means you pay each time a user actually clicks on one of your ads. There are several things that make this a fantastic way to generate traffic, which we'll look at later. For now, though, suffice to say that PPC gives you the precise control that any advertising campaign needs and allows you to build a perfect business plan with a precise advertising spend, target demographic, and profit margin. But when it comes to PPC, only one word will often come to mind: Google AdWords. Google AdWords is by far the biggest PPC platform and the one that most new marketers will go to first. But there are other options out there, and actually, focusing only on Google AdWords can be a big mistake for your campaign. We'll look in more detail at why this is in the coming videos, but suffice to say, Google AdWords is actually more expensive, more competitive, and less precise in many ways. And this is where Bing comes in. Bing can help you reach an entirely different section of your market while avoiding direct competition with some of the bigger competitors in the field. As we'll learn, Bing can offer you the perfect backdoor and can even help your rankings on Google. It's the perfect starting point for the small, lean business and a very wise backup source of traffic for all online businesses. In this video series, you'll learn more about Bing and how it differs to Google. You'll learn why it's crucial to start paying attention to Bing, and you'll learn how to take advantage of all its unique features. At the same time, we'll also be looking in depth at the best practices for creating successful PPC advertising campaigns on Google or Bing, and we'll see how this can be employed as part of a comprehensive business plan.